Sarah, who's at the door? Who's at the door?
Sarah, come on. Let's go and see who's at the door. Who's at the door?
Movie, she said.
Right by the way, like so. Oh, it's a big box.
Who's that from, Sarah? Who's the box from?
You think it's from Grand Winnie? And Auntie Jackie? And et al? Because it's from everybody. Okay, let's bring it in. Look, that opens here. What is this here? It's a little footstool. Is there anything else in here, Sarah? Let's look for more. This is a piece of paper. Oh, that's what that's doing.
That's a good idea. What else is in the box?
One thing, Sarah.
It's Sarah.
Oh, it's a seat.
Sarah, what is it? What is it?
What's there? Is it for me? No, it's too small for me.
Is it for Mommy? Who is it for? Who does it fit?
It fits just right.
I think it's for Sarah.
You can put your feet up on your little stool. Have yourself a rock.
Wow, just like Mommy's chair. Just like Mommy's chair, but it's your size.
Working your rocking technique pretty good. The giant cat walked by. Cat Scrooge. You like it, Sarah? You like it? Pick your feet up. Oh, sorry. There you go. You know what you need, Sarah?
She looks so large in that chair.
You know what you need, Sarah? You need a little book to be reading.
A really small book, yeah.
There you go, Sarah. Read a book. There you go. Put your feet up. Very nice.
Sarah, can you say thank you, Grand Winnie? Good job. Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave your hand? Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
S.
T. Boat.
What's the rest of it? Now I'm... Next time won't you sing with me?
Wow. Hi. Hi. Must we?
Good job. Can you say hi, cousins?
Hi, cousins.
Can you say hi, aunties?
And these.
Can you say hi, uncles?
Hi, uncles.
Good job. Can you say hi, grandpas?